When you begin, it's always hard to start. It's common that you have high expectations.
Well, guys, I'm so sorry I got disconnected. Okay, so I hope I'm back again. Alright, so over here. Okay, let me check again. Alright, let me check again. Alright, let me confirm so that everything is on par. Alright, so sorry about it. Okay, and okay, let me see. Well, right, let me check. Okay, hopefully everything is correct. Okay, all right, let's check again. Okay, should be everything's okay. Then you hear me? All right, okay, let me go again. Let me try it out. Let me see. Okay. Alright, so everything should be fine now. Okay, it should be fine.
Some time will pass and you will see the trading is not so hard for those.
Right, okay. Well, very sorry about this. Okay, now, alright, let's check out. Okay, let's see. Let's move on. Okay, let me check. Sound check. Right. Hi, afternoon. Good afternoon, Matthew. Nice to see you here. Right. So, okay. So now everything should be back on track. Okay, it's back on track now. Okay, so let's move on and now. Okay, 今天是刚才我说到哈，just now I was saying today is the 2021, okay, the 30th of April, the last day of the month, so and it falls on the Friday, so they may be big buying and big selling from the big corporation, okay, so everybody have to be very careful about this. Okay, so 今天呢，中文的哈来讲解一下，今天只有一个月底啊，最后一个每个月的一个最后的交易日呢，是在我们的这个最后一天在星期五的话呢，那么呢我们就得要非常的小心了哈。OK， 好了，那么来我们再看一看啊。OK， OK， 这个呢我们就得要很注意的。我们的交易啊，今天可能有很多的大财团会有很多的这个动作啊，所以呢，今天我们做交易的时候要特别的小心。OK， alright。Okay, so now same thing, come back. Okay. I was going to take down whatever I'm going to focus today. Alright. Okay, so sorry for some disruption earlier on. Okay, so we'll continue. Alright. Okay, thank you so much for your patience. Then come back here. Okay, so today, Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. I'm going to start my analysis as a trade setup so that I can get myself clear enough. Then what am I going to trade? Okay, what am I going to focus? Okay, alright, so let's look into day one of Aussie CAD. Okay, day one Aussie CAD. Currently, if you can see the support level over here, they are all over in this level. Okay, so it is right now, it doesn't seem to be a good thing to short. Okay, well, never mind. We have to shrink down and to see whether the space is enough. Okay, so over here, H4 in the interchange right now for the past 8 hours, we have some support over here and it's going back onto the buy. And but the H1 in terms of the cycle, okay, each wave is a cycle over here. So currently it makes a little resistance over here and it's coming down for a little short. Maybe a short-term gains, but the space is so small. Okay, since the space is so small, it may hit on the support and it's going to rebound back. Okay, so I think Aussie CAD either it breaks this support level, okay, and hit down lower to another support level, which we have about 40 pips of space, then we will be able to trade. So I suggest that it breaks this support and form a new resistance, then we start trading. If not, we'll give it a miss. Okay. Alright, so how about 这个 Mandarin? Okay, I almost forgot about it. Okay, Aussie Can 澳加嘛，澳加今天呢已经在这个支撑位置上了哈，所以呢，如果要的话呢，要做交易的话，我会等着它突破了这个支撑位置之后，有来一个新的红点啊压力的时候呢，我才会做交易哈。OK， 好不好 ？Alright， so 暂时我是不会把这个先列出来哈，这个我暂时就是先把它放一边。OK， 今天是4月30号，2021年。OK。那么我们来看一下澳瑞 ，Alright, Aussie franc, we are facing into the same situation now. Okay, same situation. Okay, alright. So currently, if you can see right now, okay, the interchange is actually forming a short right now with a resistance. However, the support level is also quite near one here. Okay, the other one over here. Alright. This side here, this area, okay. So in terms of the support, well, we are looking at this, we have about 10 pips, including of the spread. I think the space is too tight. No, I think it's not also advisable. Okay, and so taking a look at this, I will give you a miss too. Okay, Aussie franc 澳瑞的话我也会先放过哈哈。OK， 今天 OK， 因为它的这个来到支撑位置的话也是蛮小的空间，除非一样它先突破了以后我才做单子 ，OK， 做空啊。So for Aussie CAD, Aussie franc is not advisable for short, so buying is still a promising one. Okay, so stay focused on the selling. People are staying focused on the selling. Okay, like me, myself. Okay, I will give it a miss for Aussie CAD and Aussie franc. Alright. Okay, now let's look at Aussie yen. Alright. Aussie yen, okay. In general, it looks good in a way that it is hitting on the resistance. It's still hovering around the resistance level. Aussie yen looks good now. Aussie yen looks good. Why is that so? Because if you can see, okay, we are challenging the resistance over here, and now we have with the support over here is quite a good one. Okay, let's take a look. This is in the day one, which we are using a bigger time frame to determine the trend. Okay. So right now we are going to H4. Okay, H4 we are looking at this interchange of the strength, the direction here is changing down to selling. Okay, so let's look into a smaller time frame whereby is our cycle. H1, it went out this way, up again, challenge and came down again. Now it's turning downwards, another resistance. So right now it seems like one point over here, which is the highest point, which is the resistance, and now the retracement over here created another resistance over here. What do we call this thing? This thing is called a lower high, but this high is lower than this, a lower high, another lower high over here. So it looks like it's going to be a good shot if we have another lower high. Okay, then we are going to short it. Okay, well, Aussie yen probably now already have some trigger point to enter. Okay, so follow the rules. When you're going to do selling, make sure you have this selling, okay, resistance to have in front of you. Okay, so I can take down Aussie yen. 澳日呢，今天这样看的话呢，澳日啊。今天它在挑战的就是我们的这个之前的这个压力位置，在整个趋势啊。那么整个趋势里面的这个4小时的转换为空，1小时呢的这一波呢也开始来做空了哈。OK， 所以呢，现在目前的话，如果说要进单子的话呢，我现在就要等待了吧哈。OK， OK， 等待下一波啊，我们等待下一波的这个，在这个 lower high 里面 ，OK， 在更低的高点啊，更低的高点里面呢，有了一个新的压力，我们才做单子，好不好？OK， 现在这一看的话，我们有的支撑位置啊，也是在这里啊，蛮靠近的。Alright, so the support level is also quite near for Aussie yen, so probably we can wait for it to break it. After we break it, I think there's a good chance that we will be able to trade to the next level of short, okay, which a good space, 25 pips, okay, about 25 pips, alright, okay. So Aussie yen, I will take down. Okay, 澳日我会去关注哈。Well, Aussie Kiwi, well, straightforward is ran into our bull. Wow, bull interchange here. The bull interchange over here is a support. Okay, very strong support here. Okay, so looks like it's going to retrace today for our buying. Okay, so it's good for buying, not for selling. Okay.Well， 这个澳纽呢，今天呢进入了这个牛市转换站里面去了啊，这里的支撑哦 ，OK， 所以呢它转换为牛市的话，那么我们就没得做单子了哈，现在，所以澳纽暂时我会先放开哈。Alright, so let's move on to our Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar, alright, Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar is still on the bull, is still testing the resistance to break it so they can continue to go for buying. Since it's near to the resistance, is it good to short? Well, it will stand a chance to short, but it is still not good for a selling, okay? And the interchange is for selling right now, okay? The interchange is for selling right now, okay?So it looks good in selling, but let me see H1. Is it good? Well, the resistance level is there's still a level up here, but currently it's showing us a high resistance over here, a lower high here, another lower high here. So that means to say it's a good chance to short for a short-term gain first. Tentatively, it's still on the short-term gain for selling.Okay, short-term gain for selling first. Alright, okay. So because there are still some buying volume supporting in the whole of the trend today with this green candle supporting over here. So short-term gain of 5 pips, 10 pips, I think it's still fine. 5 pips is still good, okay. And because they are still digesting away, okay, they are still taking over the buying volume over there.So we still need some time for the sellers to take over the buying, okay? Alright, so let me go along with the Mandarin. 澳美今天这一看的话，我们有个绿色蜡烛嘛，就是还有多单量在市场里。那么4小时转换为空，那么1小时呢，我们又有更低的高点，更低的高点，对不对？那么更低的高点也就产生出了我们的压力。那么这个产生出来这个压力呢，目前我们这一看的话哈，其实整体这样看的话呢，就是在于说，虽然有机会做空，但是我们要记得啊，整体的整个趋势，我们还有一些绿色蜡烛的多单量在市场里面，等待这些人啊，这些做空的交易员呢，那么去把这个多单量给取代、消化掉、取代了之后，我们才能做单子哈 ，OK。Alright, so remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will be able to join in the analysis, okay, on time with me, alright? Okay, so let's go. Euro Aussie. Well, Euro Aussie, for the past few days on the support, okay, it has been on the support and right now it's testing on the resistance level.Is testing on the resistance level. Looks good. So let's see. H4, alright, H4, there isn't any testing. It's still building the support. It's supposed to be short, but now you can see the interchange on the H4 has started to build a support right now. H1 over here, the support level is here. Well, can you see?From this spot here, it has been growing on a higher low, a higher low, a higher low, a higher low. That means to say a higher low, it hasn't been break before. This is still on the support, it's still on the buying side. Okay, so now you see from the support to my execution price now is about 8 pips. Not enough for me to take a small profit. It's not even a small profit, so no, forget it first. Okay, well, just forget about this first. I think probably the second half of the day you may have a chance. Okay, alright, so 那我们这个欧澳哈，我们这一看的话呢，从这一段开始，一直不断的在往上升，对不对？那么今天呢，在挑战的就是我们的压力位置。不过4小时的转变哦，在这一段的转变呢，有看到一个绿色蜡烛吗？多单量开始进来了啊，那么多单量开始进来了以后，这个1小时这里也开始支撑着有继续做多的现象。那么呢，这里呢，我们看到的就是更高的低点，有没有看到更高的低点、更高的低点、更高的低点、更高的低点、更高的低点呢，也就是一种支撑。那么呢，也很容易就是会继续在攀高峰啊。OK， 所以欧澳不看它先了哈。OK。Alright, so EuroCAD. Let's move on to EuroCAD. Okay, EuroCAD looks good today. As we can see, the EuroCAD is moving on the troops for selling. And from here, on the total trend, general trend reading, we still have a good space. But H4, is H4 doing a good job? Well, H4 currently is still doing a good job over here. Alright, so but remember, careful with the candles, it's getting shorter and shorter and shorter. That means to say, which means to say the trading volume is getting tighter. Okay, so probably it may not be a good one. Okay, if you may be looking at it still continue to short, but we never know when will it start to retrace fast. Such situation usually it will give you a long candle up. Okay, so please be very, very careful. Okay, so probably we have to wait for this. We will wait for this to break the support over here. Then we will be able to trade for EuroCAD. Okay, another new resistance. Then we'll be able to trade for EuroCAD. Okay, so let me see. Will there be a chance for us? Okay, this chance looks slim. Pretty slim. OK， 好，这个欧加哈看起来不错哈。OK， 可是这些那蜡烛越来越短，有没有看到？开始好像就是到了这个降落的这个平地了哈，所以我们要小心了哈。所以这一段看起来好像都一直在跌，不过呢，现在这个比较不是那么的看起来很乐观啊。不过我要等它破了这个支撑位置以后，给了我一个新的红点或压力的啊，那么我才会再做交易。OK， 所以欧加先等一等吧。OK。Alright, so Euro Pound. Okay, let's look into Euro Pound. Euro Pound is still challenging on the resistance. So in the interchange, is still turning up for buying. And the resistance is in the bull. Okay, right now, yeah, it's still on the bull. And challenging the bear right now. So they are fighting. At this point of time, no, I'm not going to challenge. I don't want to be the challenger. Okay, let the market challenge and show us a clearer picture, then we will go for it. Okay， 欧镑方向不明确，支撑着，而且已经在挑战我们的这个压力了哈。所以呢，在这一段里面 ，OK， 在这一段里面呢，没有一个很明确的方向啊，现在没有明确的方向，所以呢，我们不会想要去看它现在 ，OK， 现在不会真的想去看。所以欧镑呢，先放弃吧。Alright, so give you a miss for Euro Pound. Okay, how about Euro Yen? Well, looks pretty good on buying, not for selling. Okay, so Euro Yen, we are looking at currently it is on the buying side, especially this part here. We can see the support is very obvious over here. Okay, the support level is very obvious, and the final support level is here. Okay, we have 18 over pips to test the support. Right now it's going. This morning it tested this resistance. It went down. It's not working well. but we do not know whether we need to try to test again. So I think right now we can have a short-term gain for euro yen, short-term, okay. So I guess probably euro yen can go for a short-term gain on selling, okay, but not for buying, okay. But also if it's for buying, I will not suggest buying today, okay, because it may be struggling in this price range, okay. 那么欧日呢，今天这样一看的话它在挑战更高了的这个价位了。这个更高的价位里面去的话呢，这4小时都要转换为做多。那么这1小时的循环呢，在这个支撑这里碰到了所以呢，现在有一点就是不知道它会怎么走。OK， 所以呢，这样看的话，我这一看虽然我们有18个点的空间，不过呢，在这18个点的空间里面，做空的几率还蛮好的，可是做多的话就比较不好了。OK， 做多的话就比较不好了。OK， Okay, so right now I am also watching this Euro Kiwi. Okay, Euro Kiwi. Well, Euro Kiwi. Let's look at this Euro Kiwi on the day one. Yeah, it's still on the support. It has been on the support for so many days. So it's good for buying, not for selling. So give it a miss. For people who are doing buying, okay, please go ahead. Alright. Well, euro dollar again. Euro dollar. Let's see euro dollar. Euro dollar very clear. It's still on the buy side. Okay. Wow. It's very, very consistent. Yeah, okay. The trend is still very, very constant for long and running on the consistency. So better not for short. Okay. We will give you a miss. Okay. 欧美呢很持续的还在做多，所以现在你看我做空的话有点难度OK， 做多的几率比较高了Alright, so next move on. Okay, do you like my video? I'm not sure if you like my video. If you are new here, remember to click on the subscribe button there. Okay, so that you can catch me when I go live. Okay. May is coming, right? I'm excited in May, alright. Okay, so the next thing to go, let's see. Okay, pound Aussie. Okay, well, talking about pound, I think we have some news yesterday. Well, okay, about Angela. Okay, so yeah, so read a little bit of the news. The pound may be fluctuating a bit today. Okay, so please be very careful. Pound Aussie today looking good because it's still in this area of a tradable space and whereby is on the nowhere. Oh my god, what is this? Okay, so let's move on. Let's check on H4 turning down for short. Okay. H1, well, it's a new cycle right now. Okay, heading down for on the south. But again, it's still on this higher low, and a higher low. Hoping that it can break it to meet this support. You have 30 over pips of space that you can grab. Okay. So euro dollar, pound Aussie, not euro dollar. I'm so sorry. I need more coffee. My god. Oh no. Okay, just kidding. Alright, so pound Aussie, okay, I think it's quite a good one. Okay, from now, pound Aussie from now, let me check. Okay, well, pound Aussie, we can take a look. Okay, pay attention to pound Aussie. Alright, so the next resistance level to come along will be a good one. Okay, alright, so now let's look at 磅澳。OK， 磅澳呢，今天整体来看的话，今天有做空的现象整个趋势来看的话，那么呢4小时转换的力度呢也开始来了那么1小时的循环也开始做空。那么目前呢，在这个支撑位置上的话呢，我们有30个点的空间。所以呢，要做空的话，暂时现在还是有机会OK， 所以在这里要好好的这个抓紧这个机会来做空OK， alright. So if yeah guys, preferably when I'm doing I'm on live now. So if you're typing a message in English will be good for me. All right, so okay, so that I can understand with a glance of it, and I will be able to reply you at the lightning speed. Okay, all right, so okay, let's move on. Okay, let's go on to the next one, which is pound CAD. Okay, pound CAD. All right, pound CAD over here. Yeah, doing short, going on the short is good. Right now, it is still on the selling. It has break the support over here right now. So it's still on the bear. It's still in the bear market. Okay, pound CAD is still doing good. But not to short now. Okay, please wait for another resistance level to come along so that you will be able to short. Okay, around this area. Okay, so probably you need some time. Okay, you need some time for this pound CAD to retrace back, so that you will have a good chance to short with more profitable space. Okay, with more profitable space. All right, so Barclay beats expectation in the first quarter. Well, good job. Okay, so well, we are going to have volatile market now. Okay， 棒家今天看来不错，一直在这个熊市里做空，突破了这里的这个牛市转换站之后，继续在做空，转换为空，但是我们的循环已经错失了，所以呢，我们呢最好就是等待下一回的一个压力来的时候呢，我们才做单子哈。OK。Alright, so pound CAD looks good. I will take down pound CAD. Well, okay, hopefully today the pound will give us a very good short. Well, hopefully, okay. Alright, pound CAD, pound franc. Alright, pound franc is hitting on the bull market. Now, the bull interchange right now, the support. Okay, so H4 it is, H4, what is this? Okay, challenging on the support right now, and well, it's challenged the support. I think pound franc, since it's challenging on this support area, I will give you a miss first. Okay, let's give you a miss. Okay, alright， 这个棒瑞呢一直在挑战这个支撑位置。我看今天我就先把它放掉，那么等到下个星期我再看它会不会突破。突破的话呢，我们才来进行我们的交易哈。Okay, so pound yen. Let's look at pound yen. Well, pound yen. Well, it's forming a new resistance. However, it is still not as ideal because it's over here. It tested on the support right here, over here, and the support has formed and moving upwards as the bull market. So tentatively for pound yen is still on the bull. Okay, so in the change of H4 has changed the strength downwards. The direction downwards, and H1 as well. So likely I will be looking over here with resistance and the support level right here. Okay, so if there's a new resistance up here and coming down again, then we will be able to start trading. Okay, for pound yen, okay. So pound yen, we can pay attention to it, but it's still not as good because it's still in the bull market. So even there's a short selling, it is still anti-trend. Okay, it's still anti-trend. All right, tentatively. Okay, all right. Okay, so unless the holding change down and able to break the support continue, then I think it will be a good one. Okay. Well, there may be a short selling for pound yen despite its retracement from the bull market. Well, every retracement will form to become the bear market, correct? Okay, so this may be the initial of the bear market. Well, it may be, okay. So when it's the initial part of the bear, that means to say there's an anti-trend trading. Alright, so please be careful. Okay, pound yen. Alright, so never mind, we'll just take it down on the second tier so that be able to take a look later on. Okay, pound yen. Okay, alright, pound yen. Okay, 棒日呢今天都是在牛市里，不过今天在牛市里有回调，就可能是这个回调哈。是逆势交易，不过每个逆势交易啊，先做一个牛市上来了之后，才开始往下跌，是逆势，到它继续往下跌 跌破了以后呢，它才会进入的熊市嘛，就变成顺势。所以呢，这个半日可以关注，但是我们要等一等，等一下可能回调到这个压力位置的时候，我们有机会再做空，我们才做空 ，OK， 好不好 ？Alright, so pound yen we can put into a second tier， 我们可以放在第二个这个阶段来看哈 ，OK。Alright, pound kiwi is challenging. From the past few days, have been challenging on the support as well. So this spot here is challenging on the support and not that good. So pound yen now today is interchange is changing up for buying. Same thing for the cycle. So it's still good for buying. Okay, pound kiwi still good for buying. Pound dollar is hitting on it's challenging on the resistance level. Okay, looks like we have a chance. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's good. Looks good. Okay, the interchange turning down for short right now, and the H1, okay, wow, looks like this pound dollar is also going for a short, but we have a support level right now over here. Okay, so let's wait for it to break it, and new resistance again, then I will start trading. Okay, pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. All right. 棒美嘛，今天呢看一下哈，棒美的日图里面整体的这个趋势已经达成。哎呀 ，so sorry 。Okay, let's look at this. Alright, pound dollar 棒美在这里啊，已经开始在挑战这个之前的这些压力啊。这边的压力 ，OK， 所以呢，现在呢4小时转换了空。我们的1小时正在尝试突破这里的支撑，只要这个支撑一尝试突破的话呢，之后有多一个小小的回调，再来一个新的压力的话，我才会进行我的交易。OK， 有差不多20几个点数啊。We have about 24 pips if after it breaks the support. Okay, roughly estimated it's about 24 pips after the support. Okay, after this support, the new resistance that formed, they will have about 24 pips. 我们这里有一个24个点数嘛，所以我们可以关注它哈，棒美 ，OK。Well, dollar CAD, hey, let's look at dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, well, I will give you a miss today. Straightforward, even if it falls, I will let it go. Okay, why is that so? Because it's into my bull. Okay, so it's on the support right now, and H4 is challenging the support with a little bit of a buying candle right now. Looks like it's going to, the intention is to go for a buy. So to short is too near to the support. To buy, we have to wait for a little while. Okay, so no. Okay, dollar CAD, give it a miss. Well, how about dollar franc? Dollar franc, let's look at dollar franc. Well, dollar franc today is trying to form a support over here. But currently, in the interchange is still turning down for short. And the cycle, we have a new resistance over here. Okay, yeah, this is the kind of resistance I'm talking about all this while. There's a resistance, and this resistance come out here. Okay, it reaches this level of red dot. Okay, and this part here will be a good one for short. Okay, but the support level is too near. So hopefully this resistance able to push it and break it, then I will start trading. Okay, dollar franc, but too near to the support. Is it too near to the support? Let me see. Well, it's about 30 pips again. Okay, so a short-term gain is very possible. Okay, dollar franc. Okay, dollar franc will be my second. Dollar franc will be my second tier. Okay, hopefully. Okay, unless it started to build a higher low, okay, then I think you forget it. Okay, all right, so let's move on. Wait. 美瑞哈，美瑞 ，OK， 美瑞的话呢，今天现在目前这一看的话，已经开始啊，在这个支撑位置上了哈。4小时转换为空，那么我们的1小时有了新的压力，可是支撑位太靠近哦，要么就等它突破。OK， 突破了以后我们才来进行交易啊，不然的话没有突破的话我们就不要哈。OK， Alright, so dollar yen. Now look at dollar yen. Alright, dollar yen. Alright, dollar yen looks like is pushing again for a bull. Unless it's forming a lower high, then I think it's good. Okay, so let's put it this way. If the interchange is turning downwards, well, turning downwards but supported. Okay, okay, let's look at H4. H4, can you see it meets the resistance over here? Okay, right here, this level. And it start to turn down, which is good. Okay, H4. So in H1, the support is also near again. So probably we have to wait for it to retrace back upwards, hit on the resistance and start to turn down. Then we will be able to trade. Okay, alright. 美日的话呢，我们呢在这个日图里面啊，我们这一看的话，似乎好像被这里的支撑开始往上走多，然后呢4小时转换为空。可是这个日图也是有红色蜡烛还是做空，所以现在4小时呢，在这一段里面啊，开始遇到了这个压力，这里的压力啊，所以它开始往下转了。那么呢，现在的这个循环这一段啊，就是现在这个循环，你要做空，现在有没有这个机会？现在有没有这个机会做空呢？现在啊，我说的是现在。如果现在有机会做空的话呢，我们可以量一下，现在啊，我们有10几个点。所以你们可以进行交易哈 ，OK， 每日是可以的哈 ，OK。Well, in terms of dollar yen right now for short-term gain, yes, you can do it. Okay, now. Okay, let's look at this. Okay, you will have a chance for a short-term gain of 5 pips, probably, likely. Okay, so for you dollar yen, okay, you want to grab your 5 pips. Okay, yes, you can. All right, okay. You heard me, all right. Dollar yen, 5 pips, okay, all right. Short-term gain, the possibility is quite high now. Okay, 每日啊 ，OK， 每日，说是每日的话呢，要拿一个这个短暂的这个盈利点5个点的话呢，是有可能的哈 ，OK。好吧，那么 coming back again, let me have a draw up over here. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, over here. Then from here to here. Okay, the short-term gain. Yeah, 在这里的支撑位置哈，支撑位置就到这里了。我们有差不多10几20个点。短暂的盈利，这个是短暂的盈利，好不好？短暂的盈利哈，所以可以的话呢，可以拿哈，可以拿。OK， yeah, dollar yen, alright. Okay, I take down dollar yen as well. Okay, right, guys, who have just came in, alright. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel here or there. Just click it. Okay, just hit it. Hit the subscribe button now. Okay, I'll show you something what I have. Okay. 啊，记得订阅我的这个频道，然后在这里我要给你们看的东西就是 Okay, this is what I have done. Alright. Okay, so I have my Aussie yen. Okay, Aussie yen, pound Aussie, pound CAD, pound dollar. Okay, and my dollar yen. Okay, all these are my priority choice. Now, the next second tier will be my pound yen and dollar franc. Okay, Aussie yen, pound Aussie, pound CAD, pound dollar, dollar yen. These are my priority trading pairs. Okay, second tier will be pound yen and dollar franc. Pound yen and dollar franc. Alright. OK， 我们订阅我的频道了没有？订阅了就给你们看这个东西了哈 ，OK。那么来，这个呢，今天呢要做的就是我的首选啊，澳日、磅澳 ，OK， 磅加、磅美、美日 ，OK。那么我的第二的 ，OK， 慢慢放下来的第二阶段的哈，第二层的，就是磅日，然后还有美瑞，磅日和美瑞 ，OK。所以呢，你们都可以去关注这些哈。 Okay, so I guess all of you must have clicked on the subscribe button already if you like my video. Well, if you don't like my video, remember to click the like button, okay? Okay, so no matter what, you click subscribe and like. Okay, remember to share it out. Alright. Wow. Okay. Well, sometimes it's good to have a nice coffee like a Starbucks. Okay, Starbucks have very nice coffee beans, right? And the aroma is really good. Okay, so you can keep yourself awake. Remember, being a trader, you need to have a trade setup like what I have done for the past maybe half an hour. Okay, remember to check it out. Okay, so remember, being a trader, you must have your trade setup. Remember, if you are going to short, you need a resistance to short. If you want to long, buying, you need a support. Okay, so when you are selling, you need a resistance, and when to exit, you need to see where's the support and run away about 75% before it hits on the support. That means leaving a 25% of space from the support, run away from your trades and get the profit right into your pockets, right? Okay, so today's Friday, so Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Wish you good luck in your trading and enjoy your weekend with the profits today that are from my analysis. Okay, remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Okay, and I would love to see you comment below my video to share your joy with me. Okay, see you again.